Hi guys, today in this video I'm going to show you how to configure user profile service application on SharePoint 2019. Browse your central administration and go to application management and manage service applications, and yeah, this is disabled, so I need to run this browser as administrator. Application management, manage service applications, here new, and select user profile service application, name demo user profile. I will create new application pool, and this is my family, that's fine. Profile DB, that's fine, and social DB also. That's fine, and use on-premise SharePoint social functionality, that's fine. Click on create. It will take few seconds or few minutes. Yep, profile service application successfully created. Click on OK and refresh this page. Here demo user profile and number of user profile zeros, and these are the properties, that's fine, but it says there are no user profiles. So first of all we need to create synchronization connection. Go to configure synchronization connections, create new connection, demo connection. I will use this name and type is Active Directory, import, fine, and fully qualified domain name. My domain name is av.local. Here this is my domain. I will import user profile from this domain, av.local, fine. Account name, you have to provide here domain administrator credential, okay. If you want to use secure connection, check here, but I will use non-secure for this demo, and filter out disabled users. If you have disabled user in your Active Directory container, you can skip to synchronize profile on SharePoint. Click on populate container. This is my domain controller, and I will select this two containers only, that's fine, and click on OK. Okay, it is created. Go to application management, manage service application, and again user profile. Number of user profiles are 0. Now configure synchronization setting. Yeah, that's fine. Use SharePoint Active Directory import, that's great. And configure synchronization time or job. From this section you can configure scheduling in minutes, hourly, daily, weekly, or monthly, depending on your configuration. It will run automatic, that's fine. Okay, go to application management, manage service application, and user profile. Start profile synchronization, and first time you have to synchronize full. So start full synchronization. Okay. Yes, it is synchronized and the number of user profiles are 33. Because of I selected just two container and filtered out the disabled user, that's why there is only 33 user profiles. That's fine. User profile synchronization is finished. Let's verify in real time. For that, manage user profiles, find, yeah, that's fine. This is ESP admin, my SharePoint farm admin. Find, edit profile here. This is the user profile synchronized from Active Directory domain controller. So this is my domain controller, and inside this domain controller admins, this is SharePoint admin, which is ESP admin. Here I'm going to change some values in this section. Okay, okay, apply. Okay, now go to SharePoint. And for that we need to start profile synchronization. We have already finished the full synchronization. For this demo I will continue with this incremental synchronization. Okay, and here I'm going to refresh this page. Yeah, manager is system admin. Thank you guys for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel. If you have any questions or comment regarding this video or content, please let me know in comment section. Thank you.